because it's a lot. No, sorry. Ooh. Okay, so oh my gosh, these I am such a fan of soft slippers, fluffy slippers. I also love cats, and my favorite color is black. So, and I also happen to have 2 black cats. So I'm in love with these. They are so, this is so soft. It almost feels like a real cat. Really. So baby soft inside and out. Let me show you this. Sorry about the floor. So that's the sole, and it squeaks a little. This is let me see, just a little, but it's also slip resistant, which is great. And I believe that I can wash them too. Like in a shoe wash bag and mesh bag. Inside, this doesn't look black. This is black and this is gray inside, but no, it is as fluffy as the outside. Feels so good. And the whole slipper seems to be well made. It's even sewn on the side. It did come with a like a label, but it didn't give me much information. But I bet that I can wash these perfectly in a shoe bag. They're adorable. So especially, I love black cats now, no matter what. But these were for Halloween season. Awesome. They are so cute. This is all like an applique, and the little ears. It feels like it's sewn on. These little whiskers, they are sewn on. I couldn't be happier with them. They are so adorable. Love them.